Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to do a quick and short review of Soundpeats clear earbuds. But before that, let me tell you this first, that this is the cheapest Soundpeats earbuds ever. Its official or original price is just 28 US dollar, but you can get it for 24 US dollar on discount and even 20 US dollar if it's on sale. So let's review it. But first I would like you to like this video and comment anything if you want, and share this video. So now let's unbox it first. So friends, welcome to my first impressions section. The box and presentation is very simple, and I really like the packaging and box style of Soundpeats. It's very practical. It's a very beautiful looking box and a very solid box. You see, it's very strong and solid, so that's likable. And speaking of the looks of these earbuds, these are the most different looking earbuds Soundpeats have produced if you look at their lineup of other earbuds. Its case is half transparent, but you can call it fully transparent overall in simple terms. But the earbuds are semi-transparent. You can see they are not fully transparent, they are semi-transparent, and but they are very beautiful, and no doubt about it. Not only they are beautiful, but they are finished very well, which makes them even more good looking. So for the box, packaging and presentation, everything is just fine. So now I will test them and will come back with a short review. So welcome back, welcome to my review section friends. I have been using these earbuds for 3 days now, and now I will share my honest opinion and experience with you guys. So I will not do a technical review of it, but it will be a straightforward simple analysis. While I was using these earbuds and testing them, my thoughts were constantly changing and I had mixed feelings about it, and I was not coming to a conclusion on what to say about them. But finally at the end I figured it out, and you will find my final verdict or statement at the end of this video in my recommendation chapter. So now let's start our review with its fit and comfort level. It is excellent. It fits very easily in your ears and are 100% comfortable. And so I will give it 10 out of 10 rating in terms of fit and comfort. No problems at all. Now speaking of using experience, it has been good too. The best thing is that despite being cheap, they come with some good specs. For example, you can see it here, Bluetooth version 5.3 and maximum working distance 10 meter, playtime about 7 hours, and battery capacity 400 milliampere, etc. So these are some good specs if you look at its price overall. So as per my using experience, its Bluetooth connectivity is super fast and I didn't saw any lag or issues with it. Similarly, I tested its working distance and it was also too good without having any issues. Here playtime is showing about 7 hours, but according to my usage experience, it is approx about 6 hours, which is just fine but not good enough. Now let's move on to our most important section, which is its sound quality. Well, so my first impressions of Soundpeats Clear was not too good, but after I used it regularly, my opinion changed a bit. The first thing I want to mention is that it has a fine sound, which we call average or ordinary sound. The bass is low but balanced and smooth. The vocals are just fine and very simple. The treble is less than balanced, so overall we can say that it's not great but not bad at all. I mean overall an average and common sound. You won't see much good either bad in it. It's a balanced performance overall. So that's Soundpeats clear for you. And the second most noticeable point here is that the sound is not detailed. There is not much detailing in the Soundpeats clear. You clearly feel lack of detailing in its sound quality, but I am a little bit fine with this as well because of my opinion changed later. What do you expect from a $20 earbud? Because after all there are 100 to 200 and $300 ranged earbuds available in market. So even if the sound quality is not detailed, it's fine for a $20 earbud. The last thing I want to mention in its sound quality is that its sound is a little low. Even if you high the volume to 100%, the sound will still be low and you can't even amplify it. But that's differ from people to people. Some people used to listen loud and some people are used to just normal sound. So now friends, it's my recommendation time. It will be different for audiophiles and non-audiophiles. For audiophiles, I would say that Soundpeats have more detailed earbuds that you can go for, and for non-audiophiles, my recommendation is that if you find them on sale, you can buy it. An interesting thing is that I have checked the official AliExpress store of Soundpeats and surprisingly they are on sale right now. You must use the discount code below and you will get it very cheap, so must check it out. So lastly, if you enjoyed my review, please like this video, comment your opinions and questions and subscribe my YouTube channel and must press the bell icon so that you won't miss my upcoming great and amazing videos. Be happy, be in peace, goodbye. See you in the next video.